Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all are fine and staying safe and happy. I am your GK teacher, Ms. Farheen, and I welcome you all to your GK class. My dear students, as you know that we have started unit number 14, that is food, and today I will give you a complete introduction of this unit. So my dear students, on page number 129, all the student learning outcomes are given. So these are for the parents and the teachers to understand that by the end of this lecture, all the students will be able to understand these points. So my dear students, let's start with lecture number 1. So when we will start lecture number 1, all the students will be able to recognize that plants make their own food in the presence of sunlight. So my dear students, in the previous lecture, we have studied that plants and animals, living things need energy to move. So how do plants get their energy? So they make their own food. This will be done and studied in lecture number 1. So then we will move forward towards lecture number 2, and students will be able to recognize that different animals eat different kinds of food. So animals also need food for energy, and different animals consume different kind of food. Some eat plants, some eat meat, and some eat both. So this will be discussed in detail in lecture number 2. Then we will move forward towards lecture number 3, and the students will be able to identify certain food groups as fruits, vegetables, grains, dairy products, meat, and dry fruit. So students will be able to understand about different food groups like dairy products, fruits, vegetables, and their importance also. And then we will move forward towards lecture number 4, and the students will be able to identify certain fruit again different food groups को identify किया जाएगा, and this time students will be able to identify fruits, vegetables and grains. So my dear students, in lecture number 5, the students will be able to define a balanced diet. Recognize that healthy living requires eating balanced diet, keeping clean, getting a good and exercising regularly. So my dear students, food कितना important है हमारे life के लिए, और इसके balance में अगर हम रहेंगे तो हम healthy जो है वो रह सकते हैं. हमने previous unit में भी ये पढ़ा था कि healthy lifestyle के लिए हमें energy जो है वो हमारे लिए बहुत important है, और हमें food को हमेशा balanced तरीके से consume करना चाहिए. So my dear students, in lecture number 6, the students will be able to recognize that healthy living requires eating a balanced diet, keeping clean, getting good, eat and exercising regularly. And they will also be able to identify the ways to get sufficient exercise and stay healthy. So my dear students, healthy lifestyle के लिए सिर्फ food healthy important नहीं होता, इसके लिए आपकी hygiene बहुत important होती है, exercise बहुत important होती है. कैसे जो है हम इन सब चीज़ों को balance से अगर करेंगे तो हम healthy रह सकते हैं. We will discuss that in lecture number 6. And then we will move forward towards lecture number 7, and we will make a project here about making personal timetable and mentioning how we can make ourselves healthy by making a proper timetable for our eating, sleeping and playing and physical activities, and also for our school activities. So हम कैसे इन सब चीज़ों को अगर balance में लेके जाएंगे तो we have a healthy lifestyle. So this will be done in this project in lecture number 7. And then we will move forward towards lecture number 8, that will be the review of unit number 14. हम इसमें रिविजन करेंगे तमाम इम्पॉर्टेंट पॉइंट्स की, और हम देखेंगे कि आप लोगों ने क्या सीखा. कैसे देखेंगे कि आई विल प्रोवाइड यू विद एन असेसमेंट शीट, ताकि मैं आपको एवेल्यूएट कर सकूं कि आपने इस यूनिट से क्या क्या सीखा है. सो माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, आई होप यू विल लर्न अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स फ्रॉम दिस यूनिट. कीप एवरीबडी अराउंड यू सेफ. हैव अ गुड डे. थैंक यू सो मच एंड अल्लाह हाफिज़.